I'm going to tell you the top 5 credit card sign-up bonuses for March. What's up, Wise Flyers? Welcome to another video. If you're new here and you want to learn how to travel anywhere in the world almost free by using credit cards and travel points, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you don't miss a thing. Every month there are new credit card sign-up bonuses coming and going, elevated sign-up bonuses, decreased sign-up bonuses. Last month wasn't too exciting, but the month of March is really exciting. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the top 5 credit card sign-up bonuses for the month of March. Let's start with our very first card of the list, and my favorite. It's the Chase IHG Rewards Premier Card, offering a sign-up bonus of 120,000 IHG points. So you get 80,000 IHG points after spending $2,000 in the first 3 months, then an additional 40,000 IHG points after spending $3,000 in the first 6 months. So all in all, you're getting 120,000 after spending $5,000 in the first 6 months. The annual fee of this card is $89, but it is well worth it. This is definitely a keeper card because every year that you pay the annual fee, you get a free anniversary award night, which could value from 40,000 points per night or lower. So there are a lot of options to get more than $89 in value per year. So the highest amount of points per night will be 70,000 points per night, which you could use at $1,000 plus a night at the Intercontinental Bora Bora Resort Thalassos Spa, and that could be completely covered with this one sign-up bonus. Another favorite perk about this card is the 4th night free. So every time you book award stays with your points, you get the 4th night free. So you're paying the price of 4 nights for 3 nights. So if you stretch these miles out, the 120,000 points, you could get 4 award stays, 4 nights each stay. So if you book 4 nights, you'll only pay 30,000 points for that 4-night span. So with 120,000 IHG points, that's 16 nights that you could get for free with this card. And just to be clear, 4th night free does not count for cash days or points in cash days, only point stays. By the way, if you want to apply for any of the cards mentioned in this list, you could click the link in the description, and by using our links, you support the channel to keep creating awesome content for you, and it's still free to you. Next on the list, I'm gonna lump 3 cards together. It's the American Express Delta card. So we have the Delta Gold Sky Miles, the Delta Platinum Sky Miles, and the Delta Reserve Sky Miles card. So each of these are offering different sign-up bonuses. On the lower end, it's the Gold, offering a sign-up bonus of 60,000 Delta Sky Miles after completing the minimum spending of $2,000 within the first 3 months, and you get a $50 statement credit with the annual fee waived the first year. Next is the American Express Platinum Delta Sky Miles card, which is offering a sign-up bonus of 75,000 Delta Sky Miles after completing the minimum spending of $3,000 within the first 3 months. You get a $100 statement credit, and the annual fee is $175, not waived. You also get 5,000 Medallion Qualification Miles, also known as MQMs, if you're trying to go for Delta status. And the next one is the American Express Delta Reserve card, which is offering a sign-up bonus of 75,000 Delta Sky Miles after completing the minimum spending of $5,000 in the first 3 months, and it has an annual fee of $450. Same as the Platinum, you get 5,000 MQMs. The reason why the annual fee is $450 for the Reserve, the Delta Reserve card, is because you get Delta Lounge access. And all of these American Express Delta cards offers are only good until April 3rd of 2019. So if you're planning on applying for these cards, make sure it's before then. Next on the list is the Barclays Advantage Aviator Red MasterCard, which is offering a sign-up bonus of 60,000 American airline miles after completing the minimum spending of $1. Well, it's after the first purchase. The annual fee is $95. So basically with this card, you don't have to complete a minimum spending. You just make a first purchase of whatever amount it is, and you get those 60,000 American airline miles. Essentially, you're paying $95 for 60,000 American airline miles. And if you're wondering what 60,000 American airline miles gets you, you could get a one-way business class flight from the US over to either Japan or Korea. So this is the type of business class seat that you could get. You get the lie flat seats. They serve you sushi. So the reason why I know about this is because I took a Japan Airlines flight going from Osaka, Japan to Los Angeles, and it was in business class. I did it with my wife and daughter, and we were served sushi. They even served us fugu, which is the poisonous blowfish. I booked this flight using American airline miles as well, and these seats would have cost over $5,000 if we would have paid full price. So paying that $95 annual fee up front for the 60,000 American airline miles is well worth it. And if you wanted to do this in economy, it would be 35,000 American airline miles per way. Next on the list is the Chase Marriott Bonvoy Boundless Card. Another six-figure bonus here. You get 100,000 Marriott points after completing the minimum spending of $5,000 in 3 months with an annual fee of $95. So you could stretch out these 100,000 points and stay 13 nights at Category 1 hotels, or you could go for the fanciest of the fancy hotels at the Royal Hawaiian Resort in Waikiki, Hawaii, and you have more than enough points to cover it that night, depends on what you're into. And you get a free night award at hotels costing 35,000 Marriott points or less every year that you pay the annual fee. And 3 of the perks that I like about this card is you get lost baggage coverage, purchase protection, and trip delay reimbursement. So that lost luggage coverage is up to $3,000. Pretty good when you're only paying $95 a year with this card if you book your trips with this Marriott Bonvoy Boundless card. And the business version of this card is also offering a 100,000 point sign-up bonus. Next on the list is the Bank of America Alaska Airlines business card, offering a sign-up bonus of 40,000 Alaska Airline miles after completing the minimum spending of $2,000 in 3 months, plus you get a companion fare of $99. Usually this card is 30,000, it's bumped up to 40,000. Now I know 40,000 Alaska Airline miles doesn't sound like a lot compared to the other six-figure bonuses I was talking about, but these Alaska Airline miles are really valuable. So to give you an idea of how valuable Alaska Airline miles are, you could go to Lima, Peru in business class for only 30,000 Alaska Airline miles. And if you wanted to do this in economy, it would be 15,000 miles per way during off-peak. So you're getting a lot of value there. And the companion fare is really valuable as well. So wherever you fly, you could bring a companion, and no matter what the price is of the flight, the companion only pays $99 plus taxes. This was a really good month for sign-up bonuses. If you want to watch more videos on credit cards and sign-up bonuses, you could click this link over here. This is more on that trip that I took where I was on the business class flights with Japan Airlines, and I'll see you in the next video.